Today at Will at Home, we're gonna make a very simple dish, which is basically grilled prawns with seafood nam jim. So the first thing we're gonna do is make the dressing, and then we're gonna grill the prawns and then assemble it all together. So basically, for this seafood nam jim, it's slightly different to the normal nam jims. We've got some chili, so I've got a little bit of red, a little bit of green, one of each, and one small chili. I'm gonna pound that up, and then when I'm pounding it, I'm gonna add in my shallot, which is about 1 shallot, about 3 garlic, and it just depends the size of your shallot. So my shallots are about equal amounts of my garlic. Then some galangal, about maybe 5 slices, very thinly, and pound that up. Put just a little bit of coriander root in here as well. Grind that all up to a nice paste. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of palm sugar into here. There we go. About half palm sugar. Pound that in. My base. I'm gonna add a little bit of fish sauce. Okay, so then we're gonna add a little bit of lime juice in there. Take out the pips. There we go. A bit more. Go. So a taster of that. I would say a little bit more fish sauce. I'd say a little bit more lime. Yep. Fish sauce in there. That should be it. Just perfect. Okay, now to assemble the dish, we're gonna get a grilled prawns. We're gonna do some very simple prawns. These are just grilled king prawns with a seafood nam jim. Nice and simple, but just great flavors highlighting the prawns. We've done a little bit of marinade in here, so I've done a little bit of soya, a little bit of Maggi, a little bit of fish sauce, and a little bit of oil, that's it. And then I've also just skewered them as well, so therefore they keep in a straight line. Okay, so now we have a lovely grilled prawns. So I'm just gonna take out the skewers, just plonk them on here. Again, this dish is very simple. Make sure you don't get in all of this. There we go. Then we're just going to spoon over our nam jim. And then we're just going to layer over a nice salad here of some lemongrass, shallots. There we go. Just put that onto there. There we go. Yeah. So we can get some of the juice on there. Yeah, there we go. And here we have our grilled prawns with seafood nam jim. Very simple.